Sengayikhuluma indaba yeStellenbosch FC ukuthi kule season le sizothwala kanzima. Kuzomela sidecide ukuthi kahle kahle sifuna ukuyodlala eAfrica noma sifuna ukuchallenge la kwi-league because asibona iStellenbosch last season. Silwisana neOrlando Pirates sifuna ukuba number 2 khona sizoya kodlala kweChampions League. Neshwa iOrlando Pirates yagcina uthathu number 2 spots. Kwadala ukuthi iStellenbosch siyodlala league kwiCAF Confederations Cup. So lade bedlala imatch yabo yokuqala kwiCAF kuma-group stages eCAF Confederations. Inade bedlala away bedlala neStade Malien. Nikuleyo match leyo badle ngo-2-0. Sisona iscore esihle le uyi-team regarded as one of the best eSouth Africa. iStellenbosch sikhona ku-top 5 ama-team answempu kule season la. I think inkinga yabo uyaqala after the game abeyidlala neOrlando Pirates. Because if you remember the game bedlala neOrlando Pirates bedlala i-MTN 8 final. After that game they won playing against AmaZulu. Bawina futhi against iChippa United. Badlala 7 games after leya game final. And kulo 7 games bawina ama-matches ayi-3. Badraw ama-matches ayi-2. Badliwa ama-matches ayi-2. As iStellenbosch akusiyirun enhle leyo, yabo. Because musathi ukubheke i-last 3 games ya iStellenbosch. Inamaloss awu-2 nedraw eyodwa. Ile loss la bayithola izolo neloss abayithola kwiMarumo Gallants. Badraw futhi neTS Galaxy. And another reason ngokwami ukubona indlela abadlala ngakhona I feel like ukulimala lo mjida lo Mojela. Yabo ukulimala kwaMojela kubalimaze kakhulu because uMojela isaqala isizini sambona kakhulu uMojela wayedlala ngempela. He's the reason why bafinyelela kwifinal yeMTN 8 yabo beno De Jong. And ukubona indlela ezenzeka ngakhona milimele kuyakhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle beberely kuyena kakhulu uMojela njengoba bamsayina iTS Galaxy last season. And kuleli sonto leli bayodlala neOrlando Pirates. Iteam yabaphuca esicoco. And iOrlando Pirates kule insuku iyashisa ngempela yabo. Le match le kuzobe kuyimatch interesting ngempela. Ngifuna ukubona isikahle kahle iStellenbosch soyi-approach kanjani le match le. Uma subheka ama-recent games wabo bahluleka usticka with one lineup. Each and every game balokhu beyishintsha ilineup, balokhu beyishintsha ilineup, balokhu beyishintsha ilineup. Kule match ade idlala izolo lo baba lo ube defensive kakhulu. But kungimangazile ukubona ukuthi bashayiwe ngo-2-0. But lesa scheme ade sisethe izolo bese defensive. Truth there are holes kwiStellenbosch. There are holes. Kumele awafix because mengawafix basedlala neOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates izome-expose kakhulu yabo. Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukudlala i-low block yabo. Bayakwazi ukudlala like ukuphasa through i-low block into abakwazi ukuyenza leyo. So njengoba beyodlala ngesonto yabo le Orlando Stadium yabo i-advantage for Orlando Pirates because sidlala behind ama-home fans. And I'm sure the crowd izobe ikhona izobe iningi. Bona wena le match izophela kanjani yabo. Ingabe Orlando Pirates izoqhubeka ne-winning run yayo ku-Betway Premiership noma iStellenbosch izothola u3 points sithi ukukhuphuka kwi-league. Mina ngibona la uJose Rivera ehamba nawo 3 points yabo. Hamba nawo nje u3 points mfethu. I think iscore kuzoba u3-1 noma kube u2-0 yeah noma 1-0 but I feel like u3-1 or 2-0 isini iscore sakho nasange weekend.